friends, welcome to Hemdon. Today we are diving into the coolest tricks in maths. It's called the Sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay Garvit, before we get into the sieve, tell everyone what exactly is a prime number. A prime number is a number that has only two factors, 1 and number itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7 and so on. Perfect. So now let's learn how Eratosthenes, a Greek mathematician, came up with a way to find all the prime numbers up to any number we want, like 100. Imagine you have a list of numbers from 1 to 100. Your job is to find all the prime numbers from that list using a fun method like sieving sand from removing stones. Step 1. Cross out the number 1. It is not prime number. Step 2. Circle the number 2. It's the first prime. Now cross out all the multiples of 2 like 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and so on. Step 3. Find the next number that isn't crossed out. That's 3. Circle it. Then cross out all the multiples of 3. Keep doing this. Next is 5, then 7 and keep going till you reach 100. At the end, the numbers that are not crossed out are your prime numbers. This method is simple, visual and fun, and it works beautifully even if you go up to 1000. That's why Eratosthenes is still famous even after more than 2000 years. Take a pen and a paper, write numbers from 1 to 100 and try the sieve. You will be amazed at how quickly you spot all the prime numbers. It is detective work. So that was the Sieve of Eratosthenes, a super smart trick from ancient Greece to find all the prime numbers easily. Keep learning and keep exploring. See you in the next class.